Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com, and in this video I will show you how you can distribute your apps with TestFlight. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, in the previous video I have uploaded a new build to your App Store Connect account. Well, to my App Store Connect account, we have uploaded our build. Go ahead and take a look at that video if you are interested on how to do that. Now, in this one, I will show you how you can create that one link that you can share with anybody and they can test your app. First of all, as a side note, let me just say that if you go to your App Store here and then select prepare for submission, now you will be able to add this new build down here. So select build, and as you can see, this has been populated. We will not do that at this time, but what we will do is go to TestFlight, and then I invite TestFlight testers with the public link. Yeah, it's still a new thing. So what we need to do is, let me just set this to OK. First of all, set the missing compliance. So I will click on this and provide export compliance information. Does your app use encryption? Select yes, even if your app only uses the standard encryption in iOS and macOS. It doesn't. Okay, and let's start internal testing. Great. Let's wait for that. And now we will add a new, let's see here, add external tester. First of all, let's create a group, externals. Okay, let's create that. And now, as you can see, we may add testers, but we can add a public link to, but no builds are available. So let's go ahead and take a look at the builds and select this plus button and add our build. Okay, let's wait for it to be populated and select our first build. Okay, click on the next. Okay, I don't need a signed-in user, so I will uncheck that and automatically notify testers. If you have testers in your app, then go ahead and leave that checked. Let's click on next, and as a test information, build one, and you may add here, I have changed this and that, please test that. Okay, and now let's submit for our review. Okay, it is waiting for review. Now, this may take a while, and usually for our first build, it takes longer. It may take even a day or so, but I will pause this video and come back to you when this app, when this build has been reviewed. So after a day or so, as you can see, I have got this email yesterday. You will get an email stating that your TestFlight is ready. Now let's go back into our App Store Connect and see that we have this label ready to test. Okay, now let's select externals. And you can see that we can now enable a public link. So let's click on that and let's enable it. Okay, here we have our link, and all you have to do is copy the link and send it out to your desired testers. When they do get this link, they will need to download the TestFlight app on their device, and they will be able to test your uploaded build. Now, that is it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, then go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And as always, I will see you in the next one.